Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get your payouts from Wix. First, log into your Wix account, then go to your site dashboard and select the site you want to work with. Once you're in, click on Getting Paid on the left panel, then select Connect and Setup. Now it's time to connect your payment methods. Here you can choose from options like PayPal or manual payments, depending on what works best for you. You can also select your location, which helps show the available payment options for your region. Next, just click Connect next to the payment method you want to use. Then follow the instructions provided by Wix to complete the setup. If you go back, you can also click on See More Payment Options to explore other available payout methods supported by Wix. And that's it. You're now ready to start receiving payouts through your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.